some sweet potato pie.
Welcome to my new series, Let's Make It Ancient. We are taking classic meals and making them nourishing and, you guessed it, ancient. Today we have sweet potato pie. Now I know we all love the flavor of sweet potato pie, and we will be executing that today, just minus some of the inflammatory causing ingredients like butter, sugar, all that. Now let's make it ancient. Okay, so for our ancient pie, we are showcasing butternut squash. Now, there's nothing wrong with sweet potatoes. They're loaded with vitamins and minerals. We're just using butternut squash today. Butternut squash is technically a fruit, and it is loaded with vitamins and minerals that boost the immunity. It's loaded with fiber that aids in digestion. That gorgeous orange color also aids in eye health. We're also going to swap the pie shells for a gluten-free version. This is going to be sure that we don't have any enriched wheat, which causes blood sugar spikes. And to make it dairy-free, we have some evaporated coconut milk, which is such a gem. No orange food coloring over here. That baby is naturally orange. We are definitely swapping the white and brown sugar. We are swapping that with agave. Agave is a great alternative for sugar. It does not spike the blood as white sugar does not cause the inflammation as white sugar either. And to help thicken up our pie, we are using einkorn flour. Einkorn flour is a ancient wheat. It is naturally low in gluten, also does not spike the blood sugar, and it's good for digestion as well. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Another one of our substitutes is definitely going to be for the butter. We are using coconut oil. Coconut oil is naturally an antifungal. It also is another great way to make it dairy-free without skimping out on that good flavor. I am still going to use eggs to help make the pie set. The recipe for this will be coming to you all soon. Chosen Lot has some great things in store in the near future, so stay on the lookout for that. Now let's get into this ancient pie. Look at this. Would you have guessed that we didn't use butter, brown sugar, white sugar, any type of dairy? Would you have guessed? With this ancient butternut squash pie, you're only missing out on inflammation, bloating, gas, constipation, blood sugar spikes, but never flavor. So please, make it ancient.